Okay, we have a Bridgeport Series 1 milling machine with a Proto-Trak Plus CNC control, serial number BR228182. Machine was new in 1991, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a 9x48 table with 30 inches of X travel with the CNC. The machine can also be used manually with a hand wheel. So you got a 2 horsepower Series 1 milling head with R8 collet capacity. It's got a power quill. You can see that when the quill is moving on the control, it acts as a digital readout for the quill. And in manual mode, obviously, X and Y also becomes a digital readout as well as a programmable axis. He's putting it into low gear. Again, variable and low gear. You have ball screws on the X and the Y axes, so you have no backlash. That's X and Y. You can see the DRO. And we can also move it under power. Machine has chrome ways on the dovetail. He's moving the X. We're going to move the Y as well. And there's your Y. Hey, that's basically all we have to show. Thank you for watching our video.